Today, we are going to unbox the contents of DEBC2. This is the control box. Display screen, solenoid valve, power cable set, silicone tube, gas pressure sensor harness, 2 air filters. The accessories for the solenoid valve, this for the display screen, O2 sensor wire, and the user manual. The contents are just these. The accessories on this half are installed in the engine compartment. The most important one is this solenoid valve. It needs to be connected to the air duct through this accessory, to be connected to both the intake side and the exhaust side of the turbocharger. The part where the solenoid valve comes in will require connecting to an air filter. To avoid oil and gas affecting the lifespan of the solenoid valve, connecting the pressure sensor also requires installing an air filter. And then the signal of the solenoid valve will be transmitted through this connecting cable to the driver's seat. Be connected to the control box as well. The control box will also be connected to the display screen simultaneously, and also a power cord. That's about it.